the low post. Over to De La Rosa. Splits
the
defense! And he just jammed it over everybody.
Oh my God!
Which ends up with nothing. And Rivera takes care of this. Look, what a great pass! Yes! It all started
At 7, Bravo on the baseline. Jackknife wants the baseline. Akin to, sabi niya, layup niya, pumato.
Saan dumaan yun? When he spun to the baseline, he was behind the backboard.
Wellar, up and away! Yes! Suddenly,
Badin being given isolation. He goes all the way for the dunk.
oh, there's a steal, Vasilides! He's gonna go in! Yeah! He's gonna dunk! Vasilides firing up the crowd, and listen to this place roar! He was blindsided. Abdel leading a fast break, hangs in the air, whirls the shot in.
In against Martin. Aduco steals the ball. Villafuerte
Slam by Aduco!
Sabay tinignan pa niya si Villafuerte para
Steal the pass inside, meant across the defense. Yes! Yes, yes, yes!
Dapat na pick and roll, walang roll. Adriano naman sa kabila.
slam. No! Francis Adriano raised the roof for him. By the Volts, the Nuggets. Jun Habar switching hands in midair.
Yung mga tao, nagugustuhan yung mga galaw ni Jun Habar.
2-on-1 break, goes to Rob Winner, goes up, hands in the air. Oh! Dipsadu! Got a quick update on the Pampanga Dragons with Alex Santos. Alex, what's up?
Takes off his guard, gets inside.
Move by
Valera's back in the game, Madrid. Source! Bang! That's a huge number. Maybe it'll boost the confidence of Lauren. Fakes, goes up strong. Nice shot. What a move, man. Hindi doon si Teroy.
Maubusan na rin siya ng oras eh. Manigo on the jackknife.
What a shot! Garcia in the low post. Shot clock down to 7. Garcia got away! Stopped it!
Michael Garcia, you are coming into your own! Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Sana tumatama kayo.
Habar! Hindi natin alam kung saan dumaan yung bola, but he made the shot anyway. 99-82 for the Lakers. Garcia! Shot for passing. Here's Compton running into Babylonia. Aduco slams it home!
Oh! What a pass! Oh, yes, yes, yes! Picked by Gamboa. A bit inside. Oh!
Ipsidu.
In your face, take it away and put it in.
And Regidor is able to get a steal off Tierra. Simon, passes sa gilid. Oh! What a play!
Doesn't get the three-pointer. Aduco leading a fast break. Stuffs it home. Pick and bola. Oglatan ahead of the pack. Slammed it. Mike Garcia skying and slamming.
Aduco really can't get away from Manny Victorino.
Oh!
De La Rosa!
Oh, clase!
Watch this again.
Woo! Inaliwa pa.
Kabatu asking for help. Kabatu getting help. They go inside to Ferrios, taking on Victorino. He's fouled and he makes it!
Let's take a look at it one more time. There's that foul. Binigyan ni Manny Victorino. Pasok yung tira ni John Ferrios.
Neves on a 3-on-1 fast break. Pass behind to Eugene Gilban. Yes!
Fast break really hurting the Cagayan de Oro Nuggets.
One guy cannot bring them all the way back.
Palagay ko na. And,
Adriano!
it's Adriano's day today.
When we played last Sunday in Mandaue. Oh! No, Rivera.
Delantes. Rumarachata. Iniwanan na lahat. Oh, the dunk!
Somebody who's expected to really carry the load for the slashers goes off the glass with two to the left.
The opportunity, Alcantara. Arboleda is going to take it inside. Spinning. What a shot!
Down. Nagmamadali ang Manila Metro Stars. What a pass!
Showtime! That really got the crowd up.
The second assist, Santos has been able to put up.
What a jump! Oh! Jose Lindes, the
Guess Butchoy do a known defender. Ferrios all by his lonesome, fouled by you with a bucket.
What a nice pass.
Bautista, no looker, Ignacio!
That's what they love here in the Pampanga.
Tunog dito. Richie Ang, drop pass, double!
Sabi niya, Dukon, teka, mag-aapila ako, baka ito ang iyong best play.
At pass, Manigo is blocked. Excellent block by Joey Mendez.
Oh, that was a weak pass by Mosqueda.
It goes to Wainwright. He'll go home with this one. Look at that inbound. Na nahuli ni Rob Wainwright. And Manigo had the right mind to tap it.
Kanina pa open si Solero, hindi pinasa ni Mosqueda.
Got to put up a three-pointer. And they've got to do it now. Delante, sumalabanan, fires a triple. He makes it!